Hello, welcome to Little Smiles Basic 1 online tutorial. Our subject for today is science. Our subject is science and the strand is strand 5. Strand 5. Humans and the environment. Humans and the environment. And the substrand is substrand 1. Substrand 1. Personal hygiene and sanitation. Personal hygiene and sanitation. And the indicator is indicator 2. Indicator 2. The need for brushing the teeth and how it is done. The need for brushing the teeth and how it is done. Before you brush your teeth, you need certain materials to help you brush your teeth well. Are we supposed to use any material? No. Let's go through and see the proper materials we are to use to brush our teeth as humans and as kids. 1. We have toothbrush. Toothbrush. You need a toothbrush of your choice. The toothbrush you like. Toothbrush of your choice. 2. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. That one too of your choice. You need a toothpaste. A toothpaste to help you brush your teeth. And the third one is a cup of water. A cup of water or any other source of water or running water. It can be water from the tap. It is accepted. Good. Now, after getting these materials, there are proper ways to go through to brush your teeth well. That is the activity for brushing your teeth. After putting your toothpaste on the toothbrush, let's see the activities you are to go through. 1. Or A. Moving the brush in short strokes up and down the teeth. Moving the brush in short strokes up and down the teeth. So your toothbrush with the toothpaste, you have to move it up and down the teeth in short strokes. This is stroking. So you have to move it up and down the teeth to remove stuck particles of food between your teeth. B. Brushing the inside of the teeth and the chewing surfaces. Brushing the inside of the teeth and the chewing surfaces. You have to brush the inside of your teeth, the part facing your throat, inside. You have to brush there. And the surfaces of the teeth where you use for chewing and biting. C. Brush the tongue to freshen one's breath. Brush the tongue to freshen one's breath. So you have to brush your tongue. Avoid putting the brush in your throat, for it can cause vomiting. You bring your tongue out and brush it. So you brush your tongue to freshen your breath. Let's note this. It is very, very important for you to rinse the mouth after every meal. As kids, you have to rinse your mouth with water after every meal because it can prevent food from stacking in between your teeth. It is very important for us to brush our teeth. Let's look at some of the importance for brushing the teeth. Importance of cleaning the teeth. Prevents oral odor. When we say oral odor, that is bad breath, bad smell from your mouth. When you brush your teeth, you get a nice scent from your mouth. Your mouth will not smell. 2. Removes bacteria from mouth. Removes bacteria. Bacteria are germs that causes illness. So germs are in our mouth. When we brush them, it removes them so that it prevents you from getting sick. Prevents tooth decay. What we say in other words, as case your teeth, it will prevent it from rotting. That is tooth decay. Tooth decay. As case the lowest form you understand is to prevent your teeth from rotting. That is tooth decay. So when you brush or clean your teeth regularly, your tooth will not decay. Prevents gum diseases. When we brush our teeth regularly and well, it prevents gum diseases such as gum bleeding. If you don't brush your teeth well or every day, your gum will always be bleeding, and other forms of oral illness. Now, if you don't brush your teeth well or properly, there are some effects. Let's look at effects of not cleaning the teeth. We have the early effects. Let's look at them. Effects of not cleaning the teeth. The early effect, if you don't clean your teeth for a day or 2 days, you get the early effects. And if you don't clean them for a longer period, you get the late problems too, or the late effects. Let's look at the early effects. Plaque build up. When we say plaque are yellowish color that will be formed on your teeth. That is plaque. Your teeth will start turning yellowish. Plaque will be formed on your teeth. 2. Teeth tartar occur. Teeth tartar occur. Teeth tartar is when the plaque hardens under your teeth. The yellowish substance will harden, it will become hard, and it will be deposited under your teeth. That is teeth tartar. 3. Bad breath. These are the early problems or effects. Bad breath. Your mouth will be smelling. That is oral odor. Bad breath. Let's look at the late problems. If you don't brush your teeth for a longer period, let's see some of the problems you'll be facing. We have tooth decay. Your tooth is going to decay. There will be holes in your teeth. Painful ones. That is as case your teeth rotten. Your teeth will be rotten. That is tooth decay for case. Tooth loss. Your teeth or your tooth will start to be removing one after the other at an older age, and your teeth will start removing one after the other. Then you have gum diseases. As I mentioned earlier on, you get a lot of diseases in your mouth. Oral odor, gum bleeding, and other diseases too. Now, we are going to go through activity that will show us a proper way of brushing our teeth as case. Follow me. Get your toothbrush, your toothpaste, and a cup of water, and let's go through the activity. First, you pick your toothbrush, get your toothpaste, as we mentioned earlier on, of your choice, the one that you like. You put the paste on the toothbrush. Avoid wasting toothpaste. Put it on the toothbrush, as you can see. Cover your toothpaste gently. Good. After doing this, you rinse your mouth with a little water and wet your brush too. You get your water gently. And wet the mouth or the brushing part of the toothbrush with water. Now, as we said earlier on, you have to move the brush in short strokes up and down the teeth. That is what we are going to do right now. This is the right way to brush the teeth. At first, we were doing it this way. Wrong. As case, you are supposed to brush our teeth up and down. And to the other side, you have to take your time so that you don't get hurt. Good. Now you brush the inside and the surfaces of the teeth where you use for chewing. Now brush the surfaces. You rinse your mouth a little. Now you come to your tongue. You bring your tongue out. Don't put the toothbrush in your throat. Now, kids, you have now get to know the proper way of brushing your teeth. These notes will be uploaded with questions right under this tutorial. Please download it, answer them and put it in your clear box. Submit it when school reopens. Until then, the next video will be in 4 days' time. Until then, bye-bye.